Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2. This should be a little short video. I stated in that other video that you could nudge this over the equal amount of here to make a 45-degree angle. Well, there's probably mathematically a way to figure out if it's not 45, if you wanted it 33.5 or 22.5 and so on and so on. But the easiest, another way to do this, let's kind of zoom in here on our new box, is just to take a 2-point line. Start moving, then hold down the control button. Make it a little bit longer than it needs to be. Double click on it. Move your rotation to that corner and rotate it 45 degrees. There you have a 45-degree angle. Even a little bit better, take the Smart Fill tool, left click, right click, make a duplicate of it and mirror it, and then mirror it the other way, and voila, you have the same thing I drew a while ago. And you could have done it at any angle. It doesn't have to be 45. You know, I did it, you know, mathematically it's 1 inch by 1 inch here, but if it's 33 degrees, then it's not going to work on that system, but this would work. Because you could have made this thing 22.5 degrees and then done the same thing, use your Smart Fill tool, fill that in, left click, right click, Control D and make a duplicate. And depending on which way you wanted your degrees to go, but there you've got them both going in the right direction. So you've got a totally different thing and you didn't have to figure out any math. Let the Smart Fill and the mirror tool do your work for you. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.